When it comes to weekend rides, I like to plan them, but impromptu rides have an element of adventure that makes them more exciting. Especially when you give one of your best friends a surprise and ask him to join you.
Ali, yo, good morning.
Hi Abhay, what's up? All okay?
I know it's early morning, Saturday morning obviously. It's a little early for you, but I need you to just look out of the window.
What? You're here? Hey, the Dominar's here. Is that you?
Yeah, now that you've seen the motorcycle, I need you to gear up, get onto that bike and just come to the location pin that I've sent you. We're going for a ride.
So Abhay, what's the plan?
Let's do a beach run.
Okay, in this heat?
Yeah, but I mean, it's all going to be empty, right? We'll have a good ride, the roads are empty, the beach is going to be empty, and I'm not telling you which beach yet. Today is going to be a day of surprises for you, Halley.
Wow, I can't wait. Let's go.
Come, let's go.
Halley and I have been best friends for over a decade now. So when it came to heading out on a weekend ride on the new Dominar 400, I knew he was just a phone call away. For 2022, Bajaj Auto has given the Dominar 400 an update, and the bike is now equipped with a touring kit that includes a range of accessories that turn this well-accomplished touring motorcycle into an even better mile muncher. These include a tall visor for wind protection, handguards, a luggage carrier with pillion backrest, navigation stay, USB port, and also a bash plate. One of my favorites though are the saddle stays that ensure your luggage stays in place and safe. Of course, the Dominar 400 needs no introduction as a touring machine, and in fact it has inspired thousands of bikers to go touring on two wheels. And the previous update that the Dominar 400 received in 2019 saw the bike get equipped with upside down forks, better mirrors, and more importantly, comprehensive updates to the engine, including revised internals and switching to a DOHC setup that has bumped its power output from 35 PS to 40 PS, adding to its credentials. And all these virtues were coming to the fore as Halley and I rode on. And then we got our first glimpse of the Arabian Sea as we took a short pit stop at a vantage point to soak in some of the natural beauty that Konkan is known for.
Wow Abhay, I'm loving the view of this beach.
Yes, sir, this is one of your surprises for today. You know, some nice, clean, pristine beaches because Konkan has a lot of such places that are completely unexplored.
You think we can take the Dominars there though?
Yeah, of course, I think the bikes will make it very easily. I mean, I know the suspension travel is there, the ground clearance is there, and of course, we've got the bash plates as well now, which is going to help matters. And I know how to get there exactly which road to take.
Awesome.
My plan was to ride to Shrivardhan, a beach about 150 kilometers away from the city of Pune that's home for Bajaj Auto and Turbocharged too. Shrivardhan is one of the cleanest beaches in Konkan and is known for its tranquility, making it perfect for a weekend ride and also helping us enjoy riding together. And with 40 PS of power and a well-balanced chassis, the Dominar 400 was also up for antics like these, letting me play with it very easily and have some fun. In fact, with 40 PS and 35 Nm and a slick shifting 6-speed gearbox, the Dominar 400 helped us cover distances quickly. Of course, hunger pangs were kicking in, meaning it was time for a lunch break.
That was good fun around the twisties away. In fact, the bad roads and the added luggage didn't really affect the Dominar a lot. It stayed planted and was good fun, in fact, catching you especially.
The Dominar has always impressed in terms of the ride and handling. Feels quite natural, going fast. Of course, good grunt through the corners from the engine. Suspension sort of really helps it. Even mid-corner bumps and all. And the tires, I really like the grip from the tires as well. Despite the temperatures being around, the ambient temperature is 40 degrees, but the tires held quite well.
I think the MRFs did really well. But now I'm hungry. I can't wait anymore. I know it's hot, but we are in this Konkan seaside place and it's known for good seafood. So I'm sorry, Abhay, but I want to have some good seafood.
I know you like seafood, so here's a little surprise for you.
I know it's something fishy. Surmai! 2 pieces for myself. Sorry, Abhay. Sorry, Abhay.
It's okay, I'm vegetarian. You can enjoy your fish.
I saw this coming up, by the way. Good.
Our breaks and detours on the way meant we were taking a lot longer than the indicated time to get to Shrivardhan. But the roads we took had us ride through some excellent twisties in the Western Ghats, where the Dominar 400's perimeter frame, well-tuned suspension and engine performance helped us enjoy our time in its saddle well. Of course, we didn't really have a plan in place and just wanted to enjoy riding over the weekend, and the Dominar 400 was letting us do it with ease. Its seat comfort also deserves a mention here, besides which the bike's rider triangle makes it well suited for touring. As we entered the town, the Dominar 400 was also quick to display its alter ego, feeling very nimble and easy to ride through the narrow bylanes. I was also glad the Dominar 400 comes with a factory-fitted bash plate, as it ensured we could ride the bike off-road too without having to worry. Our first view of the beach was quite stunning, as the sun was just about to go down, the waves were crashing onto the shore, and the view was soothing to say the least after a long day of riding, especially in the summer heat. The Dominar 400 had proved to be a perfect playmate, helping us ease off from the world and enjoy the moment too.
So Ali, how's the ride?
Oh man, how do I say? To start off all reluctant in the heat and then to make it to this viewpoint, I think it was all worth it. Thanks a lot, Abhay.
Yeah, it was hot, I won't deny that, but I think with a bike like the Dominar and this touring kit and of course a view like this to end the day with, it's been a brilliant day. I think very good weekend to say so. Perfect ride, impromptu plan, last minute I just woke you up and said, come let's go for a ride. I think it's been interesting.
And that's what a weekend ride is all about. Hitting the road with close friends, exploring new places, and above all else, having a good time away from the hustle of our everyday lives.